Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from FRI 113. We are going to present our final report, Practicum Integration of Design Business and Facility Industry. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Dinda Putri Parsafili and my friends are Nurul Taqwa and Setiawan. For the first, Nurul Taqwa will present. Please.
Business overview. Company name Dakwa Corporation. Sector business manufacture. Brand product alat penuang adonan kue pukis or apakis. Vision to become a manufacturer international standardization of alat penuang adonan kue pukis. The mission is guarantee product quality, develop product innovation, and providing the best service. And product description is alat penuang adonan kue pukis is innovation product to make the world of baking become more practice. And STP analysis and marketing mix. For the segmenting geographic is alat penuang adonan kue pukis will be sold in the Czech merchant environment, especially in the West Java area of Bandung, due to necessary needs to environment. Demographic. Alat penuang adonan kue pukis is innovation tool devoted to the environment of cookies cake merchant. Pisographic. Alat penuang adonan kue pukis will be sold to cookies cake vendor. Before, cookies cake merchant required a short time printing cookies cake dough to set consumer demand can be fulfilled, so this tool is made to speed up the work of cookies cake trader. And for targeting, the company target the cookies seller to sell product. It aims to reach a strong position in a segment to get maximum benefit. And the last, positioning. Alat penuang adonan kue pukis is a tool helps cookies cake vendors in printing the dough so that it hits the print easier tagline. Now for the marketing mix, the first is place. Alat penuang adonan kue pukis industry has a warehouse to store the product inventory and market raya industri Gede Bage. For the price, alat penuang adonan kue pukis will be sold 170,000 per unit. For the product, alat penuang adonan kue pukis is innovation to print the cookies cakes dough. This product will be help the seller of cookies cake. And the last of the promotion are carried out by offering product directly to baking industry, directly to cookies cake vendor, as well as making advertisement on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and browser. And for the marketing strategies and plans, for the strength, the company create a new innovation tool to help simplify the work of cookies cake vendors, which of course is not yet widely available on the market. And the weakness, the company sells products at prices that are relatively more expensive compared of existing product. And for the opportunity, consumer who will be targeted in the sale of the company area, the cookies cake vendor spread across the West Java region. And the last, for the trade, cake cookies traders don't want to switch to this new product because the price is relatively more expensive. For demand forecasting, 6,684, and sales target for 2026 year is 6,687, and the production volume for the 2026 year is 70,063. So the total of the cost from other advertising is 4,335,000. And for the production plans, for the level 0, there is alat penuang adonan kue pukis. For the level 1, there is box and packaging. And for the level 2, there is assembly 3. For the level 3, there is assembly 2 and assembly 1. And the last, for the level 4, there is iron glue, hand grip, dough holder, iron glue, container, mud hole, frame, and frame legs. For this is the structure from product alat penuang adonan kue pukis. From this picture can be seen of operation process chart, so it's known that the total time is the 1828 seconds. In 2020, 1 year direct material costs were 837 million. For the indirect material cost is 14 million rupiah. And the total fixed investment is 1,650 million rupiah, consists of tools cost and general administration. For the machine, we use machine grinder, hydraulic press, and CNC machine.
Then, this slide explains about structure organization before and after recruitment. The total worker for recruitment in 2024 is 1 human resource staff, 1 finance staff, 2 production operator, 1 marketing staff. So the total worker for this year is 26 worker, include CEO, human resource, and others. This slide explains about salary worker for direct employee, indirect employee, and executive employee. This slide explains cost for direct recruitment, indirect recruitment, and executive recruitment. The flowchart recruitment explains about the sequence of first and second recruitment. Start from plan the human resource required, do the job fair and social media promotion, see the job seeker, screen the worker, document selection, do the test, interview, training, and do the contract. The planned cost for worker divided into cost salary, cost recruitment, cost for accident insurance, cost for life insurance, healthcare insurance, welfare employee bonus, and THR. Then the financial statement. We start from total production cost and operational cost for each year from 2021 until 2025, include direct costs, overhead costs, and operational costs. Then the total project cost we must expense is about 1,017 million others. Installment calculation for 5 years with the total installment for each year is about 51,799 rupiah. The cost of goods sold per product is about 311,000 rupiah and increase for the next year until 2025. The selling cost per product is about 530,000 rupiah for 2021 and the percent profit is 70%, and we assume that will increase 5% for the next year. From profit and loss statement, we can see the earning before interest and tax and earning after interest and tax, with the tax is 1% for each year. From the cash flow, we can see the cash and the cash. From the cash flow, we can see the cash in and the cash out from company, and we get the balance final cash for each year. We also see the asset for current asset, intangible asset like SIUP and trademark, fixed asset for machine, tools, transportation, administration cost, then depreciation and amortization. Total asset is around 1 billion until 2 billion rupiah. Liabilities for remaining debt and equities for owner and return earning. Feasibility analysis. We can see NPV that we get is about 290 million rupiah. It means the NPV is bigger than zero. It means the investment for this business is feasible. Payback period is around 4.49 years. It means the initial capital will we get back after 4.49 years after business is running. The MAR is 9.95% based on the interest rate bank for corporate. the IRR that we get is 18.31%. IRR is bigger than MAR. It means the investment for this business is feasible with the interest rate of bank is 9.95%. The BCR explain about the ratio for benefit and cost from the company. We get value 1.12. BCR is bigger than 1. It means the benefit is bigger than cost and company get the benefit for this business. The investment for business is feasible. From the sensitivity analysis, we can conclude that the company can buy the raw material if the cost of raw material is increased until 0.76%. If the percent of cost raw material is bigger than 0.76%, the company cannot buy the raw material or the company can get loss. And then for sensitivity selling price, company can decrease selling price until 6.17%. If the selling price decrease bigger than this percentage, the company will get loss.
The next is supplier distance. The first we must calculate supplier distance each city, Kabupaten Bandung, Kota Bandung, and then Kota Cimahi. After we calculate, we choose location with factor rating. The best location is Kota Bandung because Kota Bandung have a high score, and then Kota Bandung very close each supplier. So next is routing sheet. According calculation from routing sheet, we have 14 actual machine. Every operation process we have efficiency, and then we know prepared production amount unit per day. We have 29 and 28 unit. Next is stacking maximum. From this result, we know the total minimum of stacking is 40, and then the total maximum of stacking is 840. Next is MHE chosen. The first we calculate with 29 factor, we get time is 1618 and amount of MHE is 1. The second is with factor 1, we get the time is 174, and then we get amount of MHE is 1. After we calculate MHE chosen is factor with 1 because the total time is very minimum compare total time with factor 929. And then this picture show about Gantt chart with factor 1. Next is area. In this table, we get total area we need to create a factory is 1382 meters square. Next is FTC or from to chart. FTC is explained about the cost of material transfer between facility in each production. So in this table we get the total of FTC is about 174,516. Next is initial layout after AFC. In this picture show about initial layout from receiving until shipping, and the second is final layout. The final layout we get from the calculation of WinKSB. So thank you from FRI 113. We do apologize for any mistake. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.